Hello, Nicomatic Sales Team. This is Phil. Today we're going to start with our first presentation about gold FFC card cable. We have been asked to get into gold cables mainly because of the fact that a majority of the 0.5 millimeter pitch ZIF and lift connectors out there are gold plated, and you would always like to have gold cables to gold contacts on the connector. There are reasons why people would not do that, but mainly it has to do with cost reduction and availability. But we're promoting the fact that we can do gold FFC cables, we can do them well, and we're doing studies that we'll share with you later on about why you need to keep that in mind, that in order to keep corrosion resistance and keep contact resistance from occurring over time, the best thing you do is have gold FFC to gold connectors. The other thing this does is it allows us to promote that we're doing something different than some of our competitors. I took a small listing as to who our competitors might be and show you exactly what is out there. Clearly not everyone can do gold FFC, and in many cases we are finding ourselves as a leader in that capacity. Before we go further, I just want to describe what our process is to make gold FFC. And what we do is we start off with bare copper FFC. We're not working with any plating on it at all. When the process is done, after it's done in the lamination, we send it out to the platers. They put on a 1 micron, 40 micro-inch barrier of nickel before the gold flash is applied. That barrier of nickel is very, very important because if you have thinner layers of nickel, it is subject to bleed through. And I put as a comparison the Axon process. Instead of the 40 micro-inch, they're putting down 1/4 of it, 0.25 microns, 10 micro-inches of nickel in front of the gold. This differentiation becomes very, very important to the people that understand. We'll go into more of this in part